I'm back, everyone. Maybe having an issue with your AirPods where for some reason they are just not resetting. So no matter what you do, they are just not resetting back to your iPhone. So maybe you're bringing your iPhone close to your AirPods just like so, and maybe they're not coming up at the bottom or anything like that, and they're not giving you any information. Now the first thing I would recommend doing is making sure your AirPods are fully connected inside of your specific AirPods case. So you can take out your AirPods just like so, and you can kind of clean out the inside of them, just kind of make sure everything's cleaned out on the inside. You also want to make sure the AirPods themselves at the bottom and maybe even on the sides that they're all cleaned out. You can grab a microfiber cloth, just clean out the insides of them. Then all you want to do there is put your AirPods back into their case like this and make sure the AirPods are in their case and secured properly. If they are not plugged in properly, that can pretty much be the number one reason why your AirPods are not showing up or at least not resetting. And then what you want to do there is close the case and just let them sit there for like an extra second or two. When you're ready, you may want to go ahead and just open up the case here and make sure the light on the front shows you something. If your AirPods don't show a light or they're not even, showing anything, then your AirPods themselves may actually be dead. So you may want to go ahead and charge up your AirPods real quick and just let them sit there for a while as well. And let them kind of sit there, and that may end up fixing the situation as well. Now another thing you can do is turn your AirPods to the back right here. And all you want to do here is you want to go ahead and hold down this button until the front light actually starts blinking. So you can just go ahead and click there. You can see this light will go and start blinking just like so. So now what you want to do is you want to bring your AirPods close to your iPhone or device or whatever, and then you should be able to see it come up. Now you can see it went away. It's because I didn't actually hold down that button, so you have to continue to hold down that button until your AirPods actually go ahead and start getting into this panel. And you may want to go ahead and put your iPhone away for a second and bring it back, and it may actually end up coming through. But you can see my AirPods are connected here, but that is pretty much how you do it for the most part. If it still doesn't work, take your AirPods out, put them back in, and that should end up fixing the situation as well. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.